Midaun lang air combat maneuver skills, training ding miyembro na ng Philippine Air Force o PAF at United States Air Force o USAF king Zambales, Miyerkules, April 17. Parti na inining kanilang pamagsadya king Large Force Employment Mission king Balikatan Exercises 2024. Kaya ba kimesabing military drilling complex simulated air combat scenarios gamit ng FA-50 na ng Philippine Air Force at ng F-16 aircrafts ng USAF. Nasa ning joint military training ang pasiknangan ang interoperability daring adlong Air Forces pangaras karing combat situations. Kingaliwang balita, maabot lagi 16 residente na ng Sitio Duwe king San Clemente, Tarlac, reng midinan Barista pong Entrepreneurship Training king panimuna na ng Department of Trade and Industry o DTI. Agpangkan DTI Tarlac OIC Director Florencia Balilo, makasaw pa ang booming tourism industry king San Clemente ing midaun na capacity building workshop. Kani may biyasa lang mag-operate espresso machine, ang pong aliwang coffee drinks kalupa ng espresso, Amerikano ang pong latte at ng participants. Magplano niya naman kano yung lokal na kapanibala naman nalakad cafe king Sitio Duweg. Samantala, Mika Tree Planting Activity king Santo Domingo Integrated School king Angeles City ngayon Webis, April 18. Penimuna na ng Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, City Environment and Natural Resources Office, ding talaturo at estudyante ng eskwela, Cambering Watershed Stewards at Environment Management System Gardeners. Iting gagawan ng paralan ng timong pamanaluki king mitigation plan na ng syudad, dahil makabawas ng extreme heat index sa dadanasan tamong eni. Inamuyot nila naman ng Angeles LGU ring aliwa pang Angelenyo, ang mananampang lakwas librino man ding binhiking Angeles City Agriculture Office. Yakopin kaya kayong talasuyo JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalin.